Hey guys, on this video we want to talk about speed and suddenness, and I want to teach you all vocabulary that is about speed and suddenness. Suddenness, things that happen very quickly or things that are done with much speed. Let's look at the roadmap. We want to learn the phrases surprise defeat, in a heartbeat, jump the queue, in a blink of an eye, overnight sensation, and before long. You use these vocabulary and phrases and expressions when you want to say something happens very quickly, or you want to describe something that happens with much speed. A surprise attack or surprise defeat, for example. And I have a question for you. She agreed blank when offered the job. I want you to put one of these phrases in the blank and fill in the blank with the right one. It wants to say that she agreed the offer immediately, instantly, without hesitation. So, in a heartbeat or in a blink of an eye, both of them can be correct. So, in a heartbeat, it means instantly, immediately, and without hesitation. When you say something happens in a heartbeat, it means it happens as fast as a single heartbeat. It means it happens very quickly. You're describing that the action or the happening is being done with much speed, in a heartbeat, as fast as a single heartbeat. Like, she forgave me in a heartbeat. It means she forgave me very quickly and without hesitation, as fast as a single heartbeat. Let's use the phrase in a sentence. She quit her job in a heartbeat when she got her dream job. So she didn't think even for a second. She decided to quit or quitted the job as fast as a single heartbeat, immediately. Another sentence. The firefighters acted in a heartbeat to rescue the family because it was something emergency, and the firefighters acted very quickly. They acted with much speed to save everyone, to rescue the family. Okay? I want to give you another quiz. The car disappeared. Blank, surprise defeat, overnight sensation, jump the queue before long, or in a blink of an eye. Again, we are talking about suddenness. The car disappeared suddenly. The car disappeared. Well, we used in a heartbeat in another quiz, so I want you to use in a blink of an eye here. The car disappeared in a blink of an eye. It means immediately, again, momentarily. Let's put that phrase into practice. In a blink of an eye. In a blink of an eye means instantly, momentarily. In a blink of an eye means as fast as the time that you spend to blink. To blink. In a blink of an eye. It can have a similar meaning to in a heartbeat, as fast as a single heartbeat, or as fast as the time that you spent blinking. So it is very quickly, very quickly. Let's use this phrase in a sentence. Sentence 1. The car disappeared in a blink of an eye. It was the same sentence that we had in the quiz. Summer ended in a blink of an eye. It means very quickly. We even didn't realize that the summer is going to end. We had so much fun every day of the summer that we didn't realize that the summer is going to end, and it ended momentarily, instantly. We even didn't have the chance to say goodbye to summer, and we and the fall began and we went to school and the summer ended and it ended in a blink of an eye. Okay. Childhood passes in a blink of an eye. So seize the day, cherish it, have fun with your childhood because it is going to end in a blink of an eye very quickly. You don't even realize when it ends. Okay, another question. Blank. It's something that we can use at the beginning of a sentence. They'll reach the mountain peak. In a heartbeat, we'll reach the mountain peak, the top of the mountain. Surprise the feet? Well, definitely not. Jump the queue? No. Overnight sensation? Definitely not. In a blink of an eye, we already used it in another quiz. And before long. Before long is a time expression. It means very soon, shortly, in a short time. So in a short time, we'll reach the mountain peak. Maybe your leader, your tour leader, is encouraging you to continue to hike and hike. She or he says that you will reach the peak very quickly, so continue hiking. Before long, it means very soon, shortly. It is describing suddenness and speed. Before long, it means maybe suddenly or shortly or in very soon. Eventually, it can be another synonym to before long, you'll reach the mountain peak. Let's use this phrase in sentences. She'll be here before long. It means she's coming and she'll be here very quickly. As fast as you can think. Before long. The new cafe become the town's favorite spot. Maybe this is a new cafe and people are finding it very comfortable, cozy, and people come to this place. And before long, very quickly, this is going to be, actually this is past. This became a favorite spot for many people. Another quiz. The TikTok dancer became an blank after her video went viral. Well, I gave you 6 options. We already used in a heartbeat, before long, and in a blink of an eye. And I want you to find the answer among these 3 choices remaining. The TikTok dancer became an blank after her video. Surprise defeat? No, it's not something defeat. It's good. It's good thing because her video went viral. Jump the queue? No, we don't have queue here. Overnight sensation. What does it mean? The TikTok dancer became an overnight sensation. Somebody using TikTok became overnight sensation. When someone becomes very famous very quickly, when someone becomes very successful very quickly, we have a phrase for this. We say the person becomes or became an overnight sensation. Overnight sensation means instant success. In the other slide, we see it means instant celebrity, instant popularity, sudden success, sudden fame. Overnight sensation. Let's use this phrase in sentences. The movie was an overnight sensation. The movie became very famous, so that everyone went to the theater, to the movies to watch it. Because it became very famous. It was very successful. Maybe it sold huge amounts of money, tickets. The app was an overnight sensation, hitting 1 million downloads in a day. The application, somebody designed an application, and the application became very famous in the market. Maybe it sold a lot. It was downloaded 1 million times in a day. And another quiz. He tried to blank at the grocery store, but others complained. Let's eliminate the options that we had before in a moment, in a heartbeat, in a blink of an eye, before long, and overnight sensation. He tried to jump the queue or surprise the feet. We definitely want a verb here, so surprise the feet cannot be correct answer. He tried to jump the queue at a grocery store, but others complained. But what does it mean to jump the queue? You're standing in a line, and when you jump the queue, it means you cut in front of somebody else. You go forward without somebody's permission. And what are the synonyms? To cut in line, to skip ahead. It's not your turn to do something, to buy something, but you skip and you go forward in the line. When this action happens, we say you jump the queue. For example, he tried to jump the queue at the amusement park, but the staff stopped him. He wanted to buy a ticket, so he stood in the line, but he wasn't so patient, so he skipped ahead. He cut in line, he jumped the queue to buy the ticket faster, but the staff stopped him. And finally, the tennis stars blank left fans speechless. Surprise attack and surprise defeat means attacking with surprise, attacking suddenly without warning, or defeating the other side. Receiving a surprise attack is a surprise defeat. Defeating suddenly so that you don't know what had happened. It's something that surprises you. Surprise defeat means shocking loss. You lose shockingly. Unexpected failure. You fail unexpectedly. In a sentence, oh, you see sad football players here. The team faced a surprise defeat in the first round of playoffs. So they lost shockingly and unexpectedly. Another example. No, it's review. Okay, the lesson ended. So these were 6 words that we used to describe speed and suddenness. Surprise defeat. Defeating, losing, unexpectedly, in a heartbeat, as fast as a single heartbeat. Jump the queue, to cut in line, to skip ahead, in a blink of an eye, as fast as the time that you spent blinking very quickly, momentarily. Overnight sensation means rapid popularity or instant celebrity. And before long is a time expression that you use to say very shortly, very soon. Thank you. See you on the next video. So long.